Stop throwing away your celery stalk, because from this stalk you can get endless supply of celery. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how to get endless supply of celery from store-bought stalks. And if you use the method that I'm going to show you in this video, you will not need to go back to the store ever again to buy celery, because you're going to have celery all year round. So this is a celery that I bought at the store, and for this video I'm going to use this one stalk. So I'm going to cut this stalk like 3 to 4 inches from the bottom like this. So now let's go outside and plant this celery. Here in my garden, I found my spot where I want to plant it, and I'm digging a hole about 3 inches or 2 inches. 3 inches is fine. I'm adding in-ground garden soil so that it can enrich it, and I'm planting my celery. And what I'm doing right now is just putting the soil around it. I'm not going to cover the entire celery stalk. Be sure of that. Make sure you don't cover the entire thing so that it doesn't rot. And then I'm going to water it. I do water my plants in the evening when it's cool, or in the morning when the sun hasn't come up yet. Okay, that's the best time to water your plants. And this is not a one-time thing. If you plant your celery during summer, you have to water it every day. But during late spring, you have to do it maybe every other day because it's cold. Okay, this is my celery after 3 days. You can see that it's sprouting already. It's growing out already. So this is even better than planting it from seeds. With stalks, it doesn't take time. Before you know it, you're going to be harvesting. But with seeds, you're going to have to wait a little bit longer. So this is my celery after a week. This, you can see that the leaves are coming out already. Like I said, watering it is very, very important because it needs water to be able to take roots. Okay, this is my celery after 3 weeks. Please pay attention to the next thing that I'm going to share with you, because if you don't do it, you might not get the same result, okay? This is my celery after 30 days. This is what it looks like. So to know when to apply fertilizer is when you see it turning yellow, you need to apply fertilizer, and that is very important. This is it after 60 days. Why I like growing celery from stalks is because it doesn't take longer as it would if I grew it from seed, because with seed, it takes about 140 days before you can get a harvest. It takes that long. From seeds, it takes that long. But if you're growing it from stalks, it doesn't take that long. About 70 days. This is it after 70 days. And from 70 days, you can now harvest your celery. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and harvest my celery. Pay attention also to the next thing that you're going to do after the harvest, so that you can get endless supply of it. So before we get there, let me know in the comment section what you do use your celery for. For me, I use it to make juice. I love celery juice. Let me know in the comment section if you use it to make soups or stir fry. What do you use your celery for? Are you planting celery this year? Let me know in the comment section. Also, we have a private Facebook group that you can join. I'm going to leave it in the description box below, and also leave it in the comment section so you can see it. It's a community of gardeners where you can ask questions, get some tips, some help. Okay, so after harvesting it, I'm just going to leave it. This is what I was telling you. Make sure you don't uproot it. Leave it so it can grow back. This is my harvest from that one stalk that we planted. I'm just going to use this to make some juice. Another tip is that if you try to grow just one celery stick, it's not going to grow. But if you do it the way we did at the beginning of the video, yes, that's the best way to grow it. It's going to grow like that, okay? So remember, we did not harvest everything because we left it like this so that it can grow back. Now I'm going to leave it here for about 3 weeks to 4 weeks. And also at this point, I'm just going to water it every day because it needs some more watering. This is it again. After 3 weeks, you're going to be out here again like this, harvesting it again. So just make sure you repeat this process over and over again, and every 3 weeks or 1 month, or you come out here and you harvest it, and you pluck it like this, but do not uproot it. Just pluck the leaves. And every time you buy celery at the store, make sure you cut the bottom and you plant it in your garden, and repeat this process over and over again. This is how you get endless supply of celery in your garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below so that every time I post a new video, you'll be notified. Also, make sure you check out our Facebook group. I'm going to leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the group.